students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. We'll take a look at a new topic, surface area of a sphere. So what exactly is a sphere? Remember at the start of the chapter when we discussed about the difference between area and surface area. Well, area is something that is related to something that's two-dimensional, whereas surface area is the area related to an object which actually exists in space and is three-dimensional. So let's say if I draw a circle, this circle on the board is two-dimensional because I can just draw it simply over here. And what do we know about circle? What is the definition? That it is a round closed object, closed geometrical figure which is equidistant from one point that the ring is equidistant from a single point, right? So like this, all these lines that I am drawing, they are equidistant from the center to the circumference of the circle, and each of this line is known as radius. Now if I take my circle and make it three-dimensional, that it will give me a ball, right? So let's say suppose this is the center and you will get a ball something like this. So this is a closed object, closed solid object whose surface points over here. Every point on the surface is equidistant from the point at the center, just like the earth. The earth has the core which is equidistant at all the points on the surface of the earth, right? So now when we talk about sphere, see, we learned about cone and cylinder and cubes and cuboids. We learned about the curved surface area and the total surface area. But for a sphere, there is just one surface area. You may call it the curved surface area or the total surface area. Irrespective, it's going to be the same, and the definition of the formula of the surface area is given by area of sphere is always given by 4 pi r square. Now let's say I take this sphere and I cut it towards the center. So I will get two equal parts of it, right? And each of these equal parts are known as hemispheres. So if this ball was hollow, that means there is only air filled inside, then it will have only a curved surface area. So the curved surface area will obviously be the half of this. So the curved surface area of hemisphere is going to be 4 pi r square divided by 2, which is 2 pi r square. But let's say this sphere that we had was solid. That means there was no air filled inside, but it was let's say made up of a metal which was round and solid. So that means it had a base lining here also. So the area of this region, if you take a look, okay, if you just cut these two parts and if you take a look at this region, it will look something like this and it will have the same radius r. So now the total surface area of the hemisphere is going to be the curved surface area plus the base area, which is going to be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is 3 pi r square. So let's write this down. Total surface area of hemisphere is going to be equal to curved surface area plus area of base, which is going to be equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square. See, why pi r square over here? Because the base is a circle and you know that the area of circle is pi r square, and this is the curved surface area we learnt over here. So the curved surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So these are the three important formulae that are related to finding the surface area and the curved surface area, the surface area of sphere, the curved surface area and total surface area of hemispheres. So we'll take a look at solved examples on page 224 of your textbooks that are pertaining to what we just learned. Let's take a look at the 7th question. You need to find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeters. So what did we learn? That the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So all we need is 4 is a constant, pi is the value that we already know, 22 by 7, until and unless explicitly specified as 3.14, and the other value is r square, which can be retrieved through the value of the radius, which is given as 7. So I'll say solution, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, where r is your radius. So this is going to be 4 into 22 by 7 into r, which is 7 into 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 4 into 22 is 88. Now 88 into 7 will be what? 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 5 is 61. So 616 centimeter square. So I'll write down the answer. Surface area of the sphere is 616 centimeter square. 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 5 is 61, right? Okay, now let's proceed to the 8th solved example. Here it is pertaining to the hemisphere. So what is the difference between this sum and this sum? That here we are talking about the entire sphere, whereas here we are talking about the half part of the sphere. So you need to find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 21 centimeters. So the curved surface area we learnt is 2 pi r square, and the total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Let's simply substitute the values and find the solution. So I'll say solution. For the first part, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, right? So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So 44, 22 into 2 is 44, and 3 into 21 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So let's multiply these two terms. This would be 44 into 60 plus 3, right? So 44 into 60 will be 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 26, plus 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 132. So when you add, what do you get? 2772. 2772 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of hemisphere. Now the total surface area is going to be what? It is going to be 3 pi r square. So I'll say, let's just bulk these terms because we may run out of space. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square, which is equal to 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So this is going to be 66 into 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 66 into 63 will be 66 into 60 plus 3. So this will be equal to 0. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39, 3960 plus 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 90. So 198 plus 3960 would be 8, 9 10, 15, 9 10, 11 and 4. 4158 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. So these are the solutions. And here is the solution of the 7th solved example. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.